Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very happy Ramadan to all my Muslim followers. And here in this video, I want to share some healthy tips for eating in Ramadan, and also make sure to discipline yourself within the fear of Allah, and make sure to eat healthy, and so that you will be better able to achieve the purpose of fasting in this holy month of Ramadan. Here are few health tips for the Ramadan. Number first, which is hydration, and that is extremely important. You don't just need to drink lots and lots of water. Your body needs the minerals too, like potassium, magnesium, chloride. So all of these minerals. So what you can do is just to simply squeeze one lemon in water and add a pinch of the sea salt into 50 milliliter of the water, so that it will better help to absorb water in your body. Otherwise, the water will just pass out from your system. Tip number two is to get enough of the nutrition. Break your fast with the dates and add a few nuts with that. Don't drink cold water with your meals, and aim for 2 to 3 times of the protein in your routine. Like in your sahur, make sure to take the protein also in your iftar and post tarawih. Eat slowly and chew your food well. And if you feel bloated, then drink ginger tea or the fennel tea. This will help you to feel better. If you are worried about not eating enough in your sahur, then you can add up 1 scoop of quality protein powder into your choice of milk, and add 1 tablespoon of healthy fats. Like you can add 1 tablespoon of the flax seeds. This will better help to nourish your body in the whole rest of the day. And if you feel dizzy, fatigued, or headaches, this could be the sign of the caffeine withdrawal, or low blood pressure, blood sugar, or sleep. Solution to this is that reduce your caffeine intake. Ideally, stick to only 1 cup of the coffee or the tea in your sahur, and for aim for eating good quality protein and the fats in your every meal. This will help you to live for longer, and also make sure to sleep well. Sleep after Tarawih till Sahur, and also early morning sunlight is also very important for regulating the circadian rhythm. So, like go for a light walk after iftar for 10 minutes, because this will help to regulate your sugar levels. Best time to lift weight or training is like in your feeding window. Don't worry too much about the exercise during Ramadan. Prioritize your sleep if you have the work next day. Don't worry too much about the physical training. This is a month of spiritual progress, not the physical.